A is for apple, so juicy and red. B is for ball that we bounce on the bed. C is for cat, who's purring so sweet. D is for drum that we love to beat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, won't you sing along with me? H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, let's all clap so happily. Q, R, S, T, U, V, wiggle and dance so carefree. W, X, Y, Z, the alphabet's fun, you see. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish swimming all day long. G is for guitar, we strum and play. H is for hat we wear every day. I is for igloo, so frosty and white. J is for jelly beans, colorful and bright. K is for kite, that soars in the sky. L is for ladybug, watch it fly high. M is for monkey, who swings in the trees. N is for nest, with eggs in the breeze. O is for octopus, deep in the sea. P is for penguin, what waddling with glee. Q is for queen with the shiny gold crown. R is for rainbow, bright all around. S is for sun, shining so high. T is for train, zooming right by. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, let's give it a try. W is for whale, so big in the sea. X is for xylophone, play a tune with me. Y is for yo-yo, going up and down. Z is for zebra stripe, black and brown. Now we've learned our ABCs. From A to Z, it's a breeze. Let's sing it loud, let's sing it proud. One more time, let's sing it now. A, B, C, E, F, G, won't you sing along with me? H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, let's all clap so happily. Q, R, S, T, U, V, wiggle and dance so carefree. W, X, Y, Z, the alphabet's fun, you see.